Hey guys, this is Prime Stream from Prime Stream Hub, and a new update for the Downloader app is about to drop, and it comes with some significant changes that I will go through in this video. This will apply for both Fire TV and Android TV Google TV devices. And in this video, I'm using my On 4K Pro Android TV box to show you this new version 2 update. But this update does apply to all devices where you can install this application. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and launch the new version 2 Downloader app. We get this quick start guide here. And one thing I definitely want to highlight is the statement towards the bottom. Downloader is 100% free and relies on your donations to keep it available. Please consider donating using the buttons at the bottom of the side menu if you enjoy the app and want to keep it updated and available. Guys, I just want you to think about how much we actually use this application. In my opinion, it doesn't get the credit it deserves. Pretty much everything that we do on these Android TV and Fire TV devices starts with Downloader. And I will show you the donation buttons here in a little bit. But if you can, please donate. Okay, I'm going to hit the OK button. I really like this header here that Elias from AFTV News has created. It kind of gives us a snapshot of everything that is new. Now, one big change is we used to have a button for both home and browser. That is now changed. The browser is now integrated into the home screen, which eliminates the separate browser tab. This simplifies the app by consolidating everything into the address bar here at the top. And now you're going to see my cursor is moving around here in the header. I'm going to move it all the way to the left, and you're going to see we get a flyout menu here. Now, this is another update. This sidebar now auto-hides when inactive, which will allow this browser view to be 38% larger than before. So, to open that sidebar, there's a few ways you can do it. You can do what I just showed by pressing the cursor all the way to the left. Or you can simply highlight the Downloader tab top left corner of the screen. Click that, and you get the flyout menu. Now, I did mention earlier the donation buttons. You can access those right here. Again, if you can, I ask that you donate to this awesome application and keep it updated for a long time to come. Now, something else you're going to see to the right of the URL bar, we have a pound sign. When you click that, it automatically opens the number pad. So it's quicker and easier to type in the shortcodes that we use. Now, if you don't use that, if you click the URL box itself, you get the typical keyboard. So, I'm going to go ahead and open the free TroyPoint toolbox. I'm going to press the pound sign, 250931. Hit the check mark. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. And again, one of the things that I really like about this update is the larger browser space. Like I said, it's 38% larger than before. And for those of you who do use this browser, this should be a welcome update. Now, I do want to download and install an application because there's something I'm going to show you regarding the file section here in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and download the #1 free streaming app available right now, and that's Streamio. Since this is the first time I'm using Downloader, I want to go into Settings. Turn on Unknown Apps for Downloader. Now, since I already have this application installed on this device, it's updating rather than installing a fresh copy. Okay, I'm going to click Done. I'm not going to click Delete because there is something I want to show you that comes with this update. Typically, we delete these installation files, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to click Done. Now, something else you're going to notice that comes with this update is in regards to cursor movement. The browser cursor movement is now smoother and more precise, making it easier to click small web links, similar to what we have here within the TroyPoint toolbox. And as a reminder, guys, we have dozens of applications within this toolbox that aren't available within Amazon App Store or Google Play. And by clicking this tutorial button for each of the apps, it opens a corresponding tutorial that you can view directly on your TV screen with the Downloader app. Now, speaking of Streamio, be sure to get my free Ultimate Streamio setup video that will show you how to install the best add-ons with a few clicks that will provide free movies and TV shows. This is now the #1 ranked free streaming app, and rightfully so, as it will allow you to cancel all of your overpriced streaming services and get everything in one place through the Streamio app. To get my free guide, simply click the link below this video or open the camera app on your phone or tablet, scan this QR code, input your email address, and the video will be delivered to your inbox immediately. Okay, I'm going to move over to the left side, go into Files, and this is another feature of the update. If you go up to the top, click the 3 dots, You're now going to see an option to delete all files rather than going through each one and deleting them separately. And something else important regarding the browser, Downloader now registers as a standard Android web browser, and it will automatically handle web links from other apps if no alternative browsers are installed on the device. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that you can click this option right here where it says, "Click here to dismiss forever" once you're done using this header that indicates all the updates. Also, another new feature is websites and third-party apps can now use the custom Downloader links to send URLs, shortcodes, or search terms directly to the app. Project TV Launcher has already added support for this, and entering a Downloader shortcode under Settings, Install Third-Party Apps, Custom URL will automatically launch Downloader and load the code. Now, if you want to get this Downloader version 2 update, if you already have auto updates enabled on your device, it will automatically update. But if you want to force it on Android TV, all you need to do is go to the home screen, hold down on the microphone button of your remote control, say, "Open Google Play." Now, you may also have a shortcut to get into Google Play. You can use that as well. Hover over your avatar, go into Updates, and you should see Downloader as a pending update. Just click Update All. Or if you just want to update that one application, you can do it. And the same applies for Fire TV devices. Just open Amazon App Store, look for Downloader and Update. Or you can simply uninstall Downloader and then reinstall it. Guys, let me know in the comments below what you think about these new Downloader updates.